Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Solana video update for Monday 15th of August. And right now we're looking at Solana basically here, and Solana has actually been breaking out of some few patterns here and there, and I'm looking at Solana at the moment, and let's talk about this one. So you do have this huge ascending triangle right here, and the technical target for the ascending triangle still is pending, and it's actually up here to $62.33. Right, so all you're doing right now is you went to the downside, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, move zigzag like this, break to the upside, coming down for the retest. This could offer an amazing, fantastic entry opportunity right there, unless you don't actually make some fake outs and start to roll over. If that actually ever makes a fake out and do something like this, go down below like that and try to go up and back test and fail, then you're looking for Solana to basically drop back to $28.4, which is not in play at the moment. There's nothing what is the current situation. What we have instead is this line right now. Okay, even this line is acting as a big huge support moving forward at the moment, and that could be the end of it. You might actually have just come here to backtest that level, and you're looking to move a little bit higher. Now everything has a bull cross, and I'm wondering if Solana does have a bull cross. All I can say is you can see you just moved to the upside, came down, backtesting the 10 EMA. If it was to come a little bit lower, then I do think it's going to come down to that triangle and backtest the 20 and the 55, bounce off this area and move higher. But if Bitcoin tries to move high from here, then this could be the end of it, because we do know Solana follows Bitcoin, and that's where you can start to reverse to the upside. Now there's a possibility of a wick down here as well, come to $42, and then boom, wick down, and then go to the upside as well. So that's pretty much it. Very simple update right now, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.